Hi, in this video I'm going to show how to add a variable product to WooCommerce. We'll start with attributes. You need to add an attribute to add a variable product. We'll start with colour because we're going to be applying this to shoe. So enter the name of your attribute here, ours is colour. The slug can be left blank because this will be the name. Archives, this is if you want to attribute to have product archives in your store, so like if you want to be able to view all your products with this attribute. Type, we'll leave this as select because this makes the option on the front end a select box rather than them having to type in what they want. Custom ordering, you can order by name or term ID. So when you're happy with these settings, click add attribute. Okay. Once you've done this, you can select the colour. In the colour setting now, you can add colours. So we'll say blue. The slug again, leave the same. Parent doesn't need anything. Description could be blue. Colour, whatever really. And then we'll say black as our secondary one. After you've added these attributes, we can then go on to adding a variable product. Once you've added some attributes to your WooCommerce store, we can then add a variable product. You can either add a new product or you can edit an existing one. We're going to edit an existing one because we've already covered adding the simple product details. From this simple product, we can now change to a variable product using the product data drop-down. You'll notice some things will appear and some things will disappear. Everything should be the same as a simple product in regards to images, inventory, etc. Now where the change is in attributes and variations. So in attributes we can select our previous attribute that we created called colour and add this to the product. This attribute is now attached to our product and we can use it for variations. And we can select all, which will select all of our previously created attributes for this attribute. Save attributes. And now we can go to variations. And in variations you'll notice this has changed. So you can link all variations. This will link all variations available, so it won't have to fill out everything. Defaults, we'll say our default is black, but you can leave it as none. And this field here is if you want to bulk edit things. So we'll just click add variation because we'll do it step by step. Okay, so now you've clicked add variation, you'll get these details up here. And first you want to select what variation this applies to. So we'll say black. And here you can upload an image for the black shoe. You can add a new image or you can just select, we've already got one. So SKU, so it needs to be relevant to the product, so shoe black. Again, downloadable virtual, these are not covered in this video, but you can select one. Manage stock, you can manage stock overall or individually. We'll choose individually. So again, this is pretty simple. Price, sale price, we'll leave this blank, works the same as simple product. Stock quantity 10. Back orders, we'll leave status in stock. Weight, you can set a different weight per variation or you can leave it blank and it will just take the parent. And the shipping class, you can have a different shipping class per variation or you can have it the same. So say if it was like a large shoe, it might have a different shipping class, but this is just a different colour, so it's fine. Once you've done that, we'll add another variation for the blue. This time we'll upload a new image. You'll notice this button here changes name. It's set variation image rather than set featured image before. Depending on where you are in the site, this will change to tell you what you're doing. SKU shoe blue. I believe that's right. We want to manage stock for this. We'll say there's only 5 of these ones. Regular price. We'll make it cheaper for no reason. Can be different or can be the same. Sale price and same as parent. Yeah, we'll stick that. Okay, once you've added all these, you can update your product or publish if you're creating a new one, and your product details are now saved.